In this video, I'll show you how Google Meet Annotate works. You'll notice a new annotation button added to the Google Meet control bar, just like the other meeting controls. I'm sharing my screen, and from a participant's view, I'll click the Annotate button and start drawing on the shared screen. These annotations appear on the other side in real time. The annotations are dimension specific. Wherever I draw on the shared screen, it will appear in the exact same location for the participants viewing the screen share. Also, I will now switch tabs to demonstrate that the annotation works across different tabs and screens. You can also change drawing colors easily. When you're done editing, simply click the Stop Annotate button and it will remove all annotations. Important note, all annotations are temporary and completely deleted after your meeting. We do not record or store any of annotation or meeting content. Your collaboration remains private and secure.